It's May and it is time for another garden tour. So during filming, it was over 100 degrees on my balcony and my camera kept overheating. So we're doing a voiceover and a quick overview of the May garden. We are starting off with my beautiful brassica tower. Look at my red acre cabbage. It is huge and showing off as usual. So excited to see how the green stalk is treating all this cabbage. They're growing in really nicely in this tower. We have cabbage, kohlrabi, Brussels sprouts, lettuce, mustard greens, onions, and scallions. Next, we have our second seasonal green stalk, which has cabbage, broccoli, more mustards, and herbs pretty much. The bottom part is very much left empty because I'm going to fill those spots in with my tomatoes, my peppers, and my okra. And I didn't want to fill them up with cool crops and then have a delay in it being able to plant up my summer plants. So that's why the bottom is kind of empty, but it is top heavy. As they finish out, I will then start putting in my okra and my other heat tolerant crops that like being on the top of my green stalk. This is my DeCiccio broccoli. It was harvested and continues to produce side shoots. I've harvested off this plant maybe like 3 times. It's doing really well. Here's my oregano, and the pansies are still holding on strong. I love the velvet texture of this flower. It is so beautiful. Next up, we have our onion tower. So these are mainly all onions, and in between at the top you'll see lettuce, chives, and some pansies doing amazing. Here's our second planting of onions in our railing boxes. They are doing amazing. The one to the left is Red Weathersfield. The one to the right is Walla Walla. And the Walla Wallas keep getting stolen by birds or something. I don't know, but it is very scarce. I had about 16 to 18 in here, and that's not what I'm counting now. So I have replanted, and I'm excited for some bulbing up to happen. And over here is our grow bag station, which is on probation because I don't know if I want another green stalk or if I want to keep this. But we have some beets and kale over here. We have some seed tape carrots, which have been working out so amazing. We have some Marvel of 4 season lettuce, some Sahara kale and lettuce, and some Premier kale and lettuce. The empty bags are going to have our peppers and our tomatoes. Now we are looking at our pea trellis bags. We have 2 of them. Some of them have sugar snap peas in it, and some of them have snow peas in it. Inside the bags, we also have some carrots and some radishes. Everything is just growing in so beautifully. Hold up. Is this aphids? Oh no. I spotted aphids on these peas as I was doing this tour, and we've been having this heat wave, so I'm not super surprised, but I'm definitely hurt because peas do not like heat at all. They always are the first ones to go in my garden. They either have aphids or spider mites because they just cannot handle the heat. Let's move on to our perennial tower where our strawberries are at the top and our Swiss chard and kale are at the bottom. We also have some lavender and other herbs sprinkled in, looking amazing. We're just waiting for some strawberry runners to start coming so we could fill in the empty pockets from the plants that died over the winter. But everything here is looking real juicy. Let's move on down to our potato tower. The bottom 3 tiers have potatoes, and the top 2 tiers have some cabbage, kohlrabi, mustard greens, bok choy, dill. But the goal is that cool crops will come out around June, and then I will put sweet potato slips in their spot. But this planter is really looking amazing. And last but definitely not least, we have our salad bar green stock, which is probably one of my favorites. We have chives, echinacea, multiple different kinds of lettuce. We have spinach, cilantro, all kinds of herbs, parsley. We have red Russian kale. I have mustard greens. We have bok choy. Like, the list goes on and on. We have pansies. We fully loaded. This is definitely one of my favorite green stock. Everything in here is showing off. My whole garden is showing off, to be honest. Praise the Lord. Now let's peek in at our seedlings. We have some zinnias and cucumbers and all of our summer plants that we're waiting to get in there. My blueberry bush is looking really, really good. Looks like some blueberries may be starting to form this year. So excited about that. Unfortunately, my other blueberry bush didn't make it, guys. It bloomed in March, but that last really cold night that we had like in April took it out. So it just hasn't been the same ever since then. Do you guys have any cold hardy suggestions? Please leave it in the comments below. So that's the tour for today. Tell me what you are most surprised about. Tell me what's still growing in your garden. And tell me what is the first summer crop you cannot wait to harvest. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because what? We grew together.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next episode.